You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can laugh, crack jokes, be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a wig from Julia Hair. I'm showing you guys everything they sent over in the packaging. This wig already comes pre-cut. The lace is already pre-cut. It's pre-plucked and it's pre-bleached, and it got some pre-baby hairs on it already. So this wig is pretty much done for you. The texture of it is water wave, and like I said, it's a pre-cut 6 by 4.75 lace closure wig. It's 150% density and I have 24 inches. This is the cap construction. What it looks like, it does have an air cap, which means that it's breathable, especially in this hot weather that we're in right now. It has 2 clips on the side and it has a clip in the back, and that like silicone material that's on the back of the cap kind of helps so that it doesn't slip, and it has an adjustable strap. So the cap is equipped with everything you need. So I am about to tint the lace. I'm using my even tinting spray in the darkest brown, and I'm also going to be using my foundation color. This is going to give me the perfect match so that the wig lace on the wig matches my skin tone. And then we're going to try it on. I always apply it like this, put my elastic band on first and tighten it up. I like to tighten it up so that it doesn't move or go anywhere. Like if I pull on this stuff, it's not going to go anywhere. As you guys can see, just putting it on, it looks like my hair is done, don't it? Don't it? I know it already got the baby hairs and everything. Like I could just walk out the door like that. So I am just defining my part, and I'm using my concealer palette just to define the part a little bit. I'm gonna go in with my wax stick, and I'm gonna use my hot comb to make that top a little flatter. But I'm actually going to end up moving this from a middle part to a side part. So this is a great demonstration so you guys can see that you can wear it in the middle part like how I'm wearing, or you can also flip that bad boy and make it to a side part. So I'm about to show you guys how I move it to a side part. I'm going to loosen it in the back, the elastic band, and then I'm going to adjust it to the side that I want to adjust it to, whatever side you feel most comfortable with. So we're just going to do it this side, and I'm going to make my part. I want to kind of have like more of a C kind of part instead of like a straight part, so I'm just making my part more of a C part. Combing out my baby hairs and making them fit the side a little bit better, making them more elongated. Okay, now I'm going to just lay those baby hairs down some more with a little bit of mousse and just shape them and make them how I want them to look. I'm going in with my hot comb just to make sure that like my hairline is looking good and to make sure that everything is nice and flat in the front. Here is a view of what the back of the hair looks like. As you guys can see, it is long. It goes all the way down. Like, it is very long hair. 24 inches. I don't know, like, it says 24 inches, but it feels a little bit longer. So I didn't do any cutting or anything to this hair at all. The texture of it is so pretty. You really don't have to add much product or anything to it. I didn't add any product. It just has this beautiful wave to it already. So I love that you don't have to do too much manipulating to it. The wig is already ready. And yeah, when you tug on this wig, it's definitely not going anywhere. So yeah, if you guys like this wig, I will definitely have all the links and information in the description. This wig is so pretty and it's so easy to install. As you guys can see, I didn't do too much. You don't have to be an expert to do this. It's definitely beginner friendly. So if you guys are interested in this wig or any other wig from Julia Hair, I'll have all the links in the description. Thank you, Julia Hair, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.